Chocolate begins with cocoa trees grown in tropical farms. Farmers harvest ripe cocoa pods from the trees. The pods are opened to collect the cocoa beans inside. The beans are fermented for several days to develop flavor. After fermentation, the beans are dried under the sun. The dried beans are transported to chocolate factories. Inside the factory, the beans are roasted to enhance their aroma. The roasted beans are cracked into small pieces called cocoa nibs. These nibs are ground into a thick cocoa paste. Sugar and milk are added to create the chocolate mixture. The mixture is refined to make the chocolate smoother. The chocolate is mixed for hours in a process called conching. Next, the chocolate is tempered to give it a shiny finish. The liquid chocolate is poured into molds. The chocolate bars move through cooling tunnels to harden. They are wrapped and packed into boxes. The bars are removed from molds and inspected. Finally, the chocolates are delivered to stores around the world.